Hi, Aga.
Hi, Nishka, and hello to everyone watching.
Yes,
So,
hi, everyone.
what are we doing here today? Because I've heard we're celebrating.
Yes, today we are celebrating because we have just gotten 50K subscribers, 50,000 subscribers to our channel. We're very
Isn't that
excited.
amazing? Yeah.
We have worked so hard on this channel. We have had this channel for how many years? I don't even know how many years it's been.
Yeah, and you've been here since the start, right?
I have been off and on this channel for like basically since its inception. One of the earliest, crudest, weirdest videos that we have is me gluing a Rivoli into a setting
I've seen
before we
that.
knew what we were doing. Completely weird. Another video where we have a cool bracelet being made with like woven leather is my cousin. So I had her do that for us. Yeah, it was just the early days. We didn't know what we were doing, and there wasn't a lot of stuff out there for beaders at the time. And we have been sort of chugging along ever since, very slowly. And in the last few years, as audience should know, if you are a subscriber to our channel, we've just exploded with projects. And I think a large part is thanks to you, Aga.
Yeah, well, I think it's amazing. And the first thing I felt when I saw that we hit 50K is gratitude. I'm so grateful that I can be a part of such a big channel. I never thought that this would be possible, but yet here I am, and I'm super happy to be here doing this with Eureka. Why don't we celebrate that by giving out some teasers, some trailers, and also some great deals. So everyone stay tuned because we have some super nice treats for you. Make sure you watch till the end.
Absolutely. All right, so as Aga said, the first thing that we want to tell you guys about is a whole brand new thing that we're doing. We are taking our collections and we are creating a whole new series of them that is going to be like a shrunken mini version. So, for those of you who find these collections overwhelming with too much stuff and you don't know what to do with most of it, what we're doing is we're selectively editing out the things that maybe aren't as useful, still beautiful and pretty, but there weren't projects made with them. There isn't as much versatility with those particular beads, and we're just cutting it down to the bone and creating what we're calling light collections. So it's kind of like the diet version of a collection. None of the extra fat and just the meat that you want to be able to make whatever projects that one already have made for you on our channel, on Stephanie's channel, on Gina's channel, as well as future projects that will be coming. So we're very excited. The first light collection is going to be like a rehash of the first Bronze Pony collection, Emerging Spring, and that is going to be launching in mid-April. So if you missed that collection and you want something similar, that one will be the one to get. It'll be better, more affordable, and full of beautiful beads to make her spring rain earrings and her spring rain necklace.
Yeah.
Plus other stuff. There'll be new projects. It's a whole thing. So we're very excited for this. What do you think of this, Aga?
Yeah, I'm super excited for those light collections because I've been working on the first one with Stephanie from Bronze Pony Beaded Jewelry already, and I think it's going to be incredible. People are gonna love it because this collection came out in 2021, and now this refreshed version is going to be so focused. And that's like the main word that I associate with those light collections that we're going to be releasing, focused, because it's, as you said, it's just gonna have like the meat and bones and some of those light collections will be like refreshed versions of collections by our affiliate designers, like Bronze Pony, but some of them will be brand new collections that will not only be very focused and perfect for, if, for example, I'm going to tease you one. If you like blue, you will like one of our light collections that we're going to be releasing very, very soon. So it's going to be very focused and still only top quality products. So the smaller kind of size is also going to allow us to include more of those, elite products, so to speak, and to name drop our Eureka brand of crystals. So stay tuned for that. They're going to be amazing, and we'll try to release them every month or every other month as well, just like our main collections, right?
Yes, so that's the other thing. If you love our collections as they are, don't worry. We're still going to be making our normal, regular, once a month, full size collections, including revamping old ones as well as releasing brand new ones. We, in fact, just had a meeting not too long ago where we decided on the collections for the rest of the year. So we have a whole plan. We are going to be doing lots of new stuff. It's really going to be beautiful and inspiring. We're just adding a brand new series so that if you find that the collections are overwhelming, too big, too expensive, you'll get something focused, smaller, and just as high quality.
And if you love our collections and you would like even more, let me tell you that those light collections, most of them, if not all of them, are going to be like matched with the main collections. Like they're going to be totally different, but on the other hand, they're going to complement each other so well. So we're super excited about that. And that's one thing that we're excited for. And another one that I think I can tell you a little bit about. If you've been looking at my hands that I've been waving around in here, you might have seen a design that you already know. And speaking of Bronze Pony as well, because, well, we're going to be releasing her past collection in a light version, but we're also going to be releasing a different kind of collaboration with her. It's going to be kids. I'm pretty sure you're going to love this design, and we're going to have 2 extra colorways that are so gorgeous.
I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited to see this bronze pony bracelet in these new colorways that we've picked out. I also love that we're going with this theme of ancient places of power, which was sort of the main concept behind this collection originally by Stephanie. And I think pulling from different ancient places that are super cool in different colorways, I think it's going to be so awesome. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see them.
Yeah, so stay tuned because they're going to come out pretty soon. We're almost ready with them. And of course, they're going to be limited. So make sure you are subscribed for our emails. The link to subscribe for our emails is down in the description. And if you do that, you will never miss any teaser or an announcement for those kits, right?
Yeah, all our launches. We're doing so many things. You really want to make sure that you're on that mailing list so you don't hear about it after it's already sold out.
And speaking of kids and of power, how many of you feel empowered by your birthstone colors? Because as you may know, quite recently we've released birthstone kits, which are bracelet and earring kits that you can make even if you're a beginner, that are also perfect as a gift, whether you give them as a gift, those kits, or you make the bracelet and earrings and give those as a gift. Yeah, we released them very recently, and you can get them in 12 different colorways, one for each month. And it doesn't matter if you're like a birthstone kind of girly or you just like the colors, because in those kits, we have our elite Eureka crystal faceted around beads, which are like, the top of the top quality, right? I'm sure
Super
you're going to
sparkly.
enjoy them. And just to show you something fun, because I got all of them, because why not? And I made all of the bracelets, and because they have a magnetic closure, the magnetic clasp, You can even make a very long necklace out
Oh
of
my
this. So
god!
yeah, this is all like, look at that.
How long is that? You could wrap that
Magnetic
around your
clip.
wrist. You could have like a whole arm of bracelets.
Yeah, totally. Or a layered necklace or something like this. It's like, I don't know. I just find it so fun. And it's all of the colors out there. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so beautiful.
Kind of feels like a pirate treasure holding it like this.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to say, Aga, I really, really love this kit. It's got two different options for designs, and it comes with pattern that you can download for free from our website, and it's just stunning. Like it's so clever. I don't know how you come up with these ideas. The design is beautiful. It's you can do two different designs both for the bracelet and for the earrings. It's I don't know. It's inspired. I have to say.
Thanks. So I was just trying to, make it for everyone and anyone because you have the more decorative style, the more simple style. So yeah, go check them out. The link will also be down in the description. So make sure to check that out.
Going back to the 50K, how else can we celebrate other than giving you guys some sneak peek announcements? Like, what do you think we should do?
I don't know. I don't know. What would I want if I were a customer of a bead store? Maybe how about a discount?
A discount? Wow, I would have never thought of that. A discount, of course. We definitely should do a discount. Well, how much should we give?
10%?
Yeah, can we afford 10%? You know what? Let's just do 15. I think we should do 15% off.
Yeah, and what's it gonna be for? Like all of the non-sale items in the store. So everything that's not on sale is now on sale.
Yeah,
15% off.
absolutely. I think that's a fantastic idea. And we will put the code right below so you can see it written out because we want to make sure that you're typing it correctly because that's the only way the code will work. And it is going to be YT50K. YT for YouTube, 50K for the 50,000. That's the code written below. Copy paste it. The code is good until May 31st, 2025 if you're watching this in the future. And you can only use it one time. So make sure you grab it, go to our website, get that 15% off as a celebration. And we really want to thank you guys for sticking with us, for watching our videos, and this is our thank you. But we are doing more than just giving a code, right?
Yeah, what else could we do? I don't know. We were talking about collections, so why don't we also give away a collection? What do you say?
Which collection should we give away, you think?
I would say definitely the latest one. It's so beautiful. It's by Gina from Orchid and Opal, and it's the Charming Cottage collection. Do you have it around?
This one, this is the collection. So beautiful. This is our gorgeous, charming cottage outside with the hydrangeas and the path. And can you just feel yourself transported there?
Yeah. Also, it's just a lot of beads that you can get for free. And let me tell you what you need to do to enter the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to our channel, of course. You also have to leave a comment under this very video. And you can tell us how you came across the channel, whether you're from Facebook, from Instagram, from our emails, or maybe you just saw a video on your feed and just wanted to watch it and then you like it so much that you subscribed. So let us know about that, or you can tell us what kind of content, what kind of project you would like to see more of on this channel. Also, one more thing so that we know who you are and so that we know where to send the collection, you also have to fill out the form that's going to ask for your YouTube handle and your email so that we can write you if you win. So do that. All of the links will be down in the description, and you can enter the giveaway until April the 30th. So these are all the rules. They will be written
Everything will
down
be written
below.
down, right? We'll write it down.
Yeah, I bet you're happy that you stayed till the end of this video. Enter the giveaway, celebrate with us.
This has been an amazing journey. We are thrilled that we could get here. I think that our videos are just getting better and better. Your most recent project with the Defying Gravity pendant was just like stunning. So I just can't wait to see what more things we'll get in the next 50K.
Yeah, it's incredible. Oh, and by the way, for anyone who doesn't know that, we have a special VIP playlist here on YouTube, and you can get access to it by just subscribing to our email. Because all of our email subscribers that we can communicate with are our VIPs. So don't forget to subscribe for the emails to get access to extra content, like, for example, a tutorial for the chain, for that pendant that Nishka was talking about. All right, I think we ran out of super fun teaser and deal options. Thanks to everyone who watched this video.
Yeah, thank you. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, thanks and bye.
Bye.